What's up, guys? Chris here for another break from Legendary Breaks where legends are pulled. Alright, guys, this was a divisional break, 2 boxes of Topps Inception. Let's see if we can get this done and get y'all some nice cards out of here. First of all, thanks everybody. Please subscribe. I'm fixing to do a giveaway here pretty soon, so please subscribe so you can get in that chance. First off, Rockies 93 got the AFC South, the AFC West. King OKC IM got the AFC North, NFC North, AFC East, NFC East, NFC West. And then Soup got the NFC South. Alrighty, guys, here we go. Let's get it. Let's get it. There. I'll come over here. Cut across. Come right here. And get this to cut. Back to the front. Back to the front. Alright. First is Eric Decker for the Jets. Next is LaShawn McCoy for the Bills. Next is Toby Gerhart, 43 out of 50. Next is for the Redskins, 11 out of 125. Alfred Morris. Alright. First, we got Garrett Grayson for the Saints, 122 out of 140. Nice big jumbo patch. Next, for the Ravens, we got unnumbered Max Williams. And then finally, marked over his name a little bit. 130 out of 150, David Johnson. Alrighty. Next, we have for the Seahawks, we got a Lynch, Marshawn Lynch. Next, we have a Benson Jackson for the Buccaneers. Next, we got a 36 of 75, Mr. Teddy Bridgewater. Next, we have a Kaepernick, 65 out of 99. And next, we got a Vince Mail that is numbered 71 out of 125. Next, we have a Mike Davis that is unnumbered. Then finally, we have a one I have not seen yet. And it is 3 out of 99, and it's for the Titans. But it is not the guy you want. It is not Marcus Mariota, but it is David Cobb. Alright, guys. Supposedly, we're supposed to have a computer coming in next week that will have our capabilities to live stream, hopefully. Which I hope it does. And if not, we will be continually working on getting it to where we can live stream. If you like the video, please subscribe again. I'm going to try to do something soon for subscribers. Thanks a lot.